I need some help, Momo.
Alright, go tell grandma.
No, I need you.
I don't know how to do that.
Let me help him.
I don't know how to do that.
Let me see it, Bryce. Mama see it.
Right, get something to eat.
Santa Claus is coming.
Where you think?
Oh, it's on the.
Bryce, you're so cutie.
It's on the here.
Oh, I'm interested in seeing what that conversation gonna be about. Oh no,
Bryce.
right there.
Bryce, say hey. You're so mean.
Mama, help him.
Okay, I'm gonna help him.
When you get this under here, when you get
Get what under the
the missile,
the missile? What's a missile, Bryce? Can you tell me what's a missile?
it's going right here.
It goes right there. It's probably under there.
It's under here.
Mama, what are you
Bryce, Bryce, say hey to the camera.
I got to put this on.
You gotta put that on?
Yeah.
Dating this
I need some
guy.
help.
Bryce, you're gonna be able to do it.
That she met him when they were doing
I put on the candy cane. I put on the
You
candy
stepped on the candy cane. Don't eat it. You stepped on the what?
Right now.
A candy cane.
What you, tell me the whole thing again. I didn't hear you.
A candy cane.
Say, I stepped on a candy cane.
I tap on a candy cane.
You're so cute. Why are you so cute? I guess
Because I want to.
because I want to. Goodbye. Hi guys, I was recording this. This is my little brother Bryce.
Yeah.
He's so cute. Bye guys.